Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Technology. Now we are going to see about the mobile operating systems and the iOS in operating systems. Now we are going to see about that overview of that presentation. First, we are going to see the recap and then content delivery, and then we have the real-time example of this topic, and then brainstorming session, and then we have a DT-based delivery, and then finally we have some assessment questions. Recap of the mobile OS and the iOS. Mobile OS timeline. It involves the mobile OS evolutions, and then here we have the development milestones and operating systems growth and the mobile OS versions, and then market dominance history. These are the recap of that mobile OS and iOS. Next one, mobile OS. In mobile OS, we have Android, iOS. Commonly, we know about the Android system. Most of them using the Android phones. Here, it will be that open source, and it will be the customizable and a wide device range. And then iOS particularly used in that Apple phones, that Apple iPhones, iPods, etc. Here it will be exclusive and it will be more secure when compared to that Android OS, and it will be that smooth interfaces. It is a user friendly. And then third one will be the Harmony OS. It is a unified ecosystem and it will be that multi device supports. And then real-time examples of that mobile OS will be that Android. Example for the Android OS, Samsung Galaxy series, and then iOS. The real-time example will be the iPhone, iPad. That comes under that iOS, and then KIOS. The example will be that Nokia mobile. And then in Windows Mobile, we have that Microsoft Lumina series. In Microsoft Lumina series, the OS will be the Windows. And then Samsung Galaxy Watch, here we use that RTOS, that is real-time operating system based OS. Here it will used. And then we have the brainstorming session. The question will be, how does a seamless device integration in the Apple ecosystem enhance the user productivity and experiences? The points will be the Apple OS designed for iPhone, iPad, and that iPod touches, and then regular updates and the feature addiction. These are the key features for this problem. And then case study. Uh, the problem statement is Instagram leveraged iOS for the smooth user experiences, the secure data handling. It reached over the 2 billion users worldwide, becoming a leading social media app. This is the problem statement. Here we have the five stages of the design thinking. First one will be the empathize. In empathize, we identify that user needs. We have to understand what does the user needs, and then here we have to prioritize the accessibilities. This is the first stage of the design thinking. Second stage will be the define stage. In define stage, we have to define the user experiences, and then we have to focus on making the applications. This is the second stage. Third stage will be the ideate stage. The ideate stage, we have to generate the diverse creative ideas and then technical possibilities for the innovations, and then we have the brainstorming. So you have to use the brainstorming. Fourth stage will be the prototype. In prototype, we have to create the layout blueprints, develop the interactive prototypes, and then test the prototypes with the users. Fifth state will be the testing state. Here we have to conduct the functional testing and performance usability testing and test on real devices. And followed by this, we have some assessment question. The question will be, the key metrics should be used to evaluate the success of the mobile app will be, we defined as engagement. Second one, we have to track the application performances through the load times, crash rates, and responsiveness. The answer will be the performances. Third question, test on the real devices and simulators to check the performance and the compatibility. The answer will be the matrices. Thank you.